Today, we will talk about how to start a box truck business step by step. Let's have a look at the details. Step 1. Establish your business. The first step in establishing your box truck business is selecting a name and logo that you like. You want to make sure your name and logo are original to you and are not going to infringe on someone else's intellectual property. Your business needs a website, especially if you are going to be offering services to the general public. List your box truck business so customers can find you. It is also important to get your fledgling business on Google. You can do this by listing it on Google My Business. This way, people who are searching for a box truck business in your local area can find you. Set up your business entity. You may want to set up a business entity like an LLC, corporation, or partnership for your box truck business. Step 2. Create a business plan for your box truck business. A business plan is essentially a roadmap for your box truck business. It organizes your thoughts relating to your business into an actionable plan. Some things to include in your box truck business plan are budgeting, identifying your target market and competition, marketing strategy, pricing strategy, operational plans, and growth projections. Step 3. Open up a business checking account and credit card. You should open a dedicated checking account in the name of your box truck business. Make sure to run all business revenue and expenses through that account. Now, let's turn to business credit cards. Credit cards can be really helpful to a new box truck business, especially if an expensive repair pops up. They are often easier to qualify for than a line of credit, especially when you are a brand new business. Step 4. Obtain funding. As we covered already, starting a box truck business can be costly, especially if you plan on buying a new box truck. Fortunately, there are a lot of equipment financing options available. Just Google box truck financing and you will see tons of options pop up. As we covered, if you prefer to rent a truck or lease it, those are also fine options and will help keep your initial costs down. That being said, you will still need some money to get started. If you are careful about your expenses at the beginning, you can likely get started for less than $5,000, especially if you don't buy your truck. Step 5. Obtain licenses, permits, and insurance. If you want your own trucking authority, you will need to apply to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, for a motor carrier MC number. You will need to make sure you have appropriate insurance in place and file a BOC3 form, which basically appoints a service of process agent in the states in which you will operate. You will also need a Unified Carrier Registration UCR if you are transporting cargo across state lines. Then, you will also need to get appropriate insurance for your box truck business. You can always hire a qualified lawyer to help guide you through the process. Step 6. Secure a location and hire drivers if needed. You are going to need a place to store your box truck when it's not in use. You will want to find a location that doesn't charge you an arm and a leg, but one that isn't too far from your target neighborhoods. If you are not going to be driving or want to position your business for growth as soon as possible, you will want to hire qualified drivers. Step 7. How to get contracts, loads, for your box truck business. One of the most common methods for getting loads is signing up for load boards. These are generally online boards that list loads for delivery that you can access. You can also contact freight brokers, 3PL companies, and freight forwarders as well to see if they have box truck contracts or loads available for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.